Sweden built an independent aerospace powerhouse against all odds. This definitive chronological catalog reveals every legendary aircraft engineered by Saab, proving cutting-edge defense and supreme aerodynamics require vision, not massive populations. Chapter 1 explores frontline military combat aircraft that established Sweden's sovereign defense and air superiority. Saab made its historic aviation debut with the 17 dive bomber, featuring landing gear fairings acting as dive brakes. Pilots praised its rugged airframe, though modest cruising speed remained a limitation. Upgrading to a fast twin-engine layout, the Saab 18 introduced heavy offensive bomb payloads and advanced radar. Crews documented excellent high-speed dive stability, though early engines proved underpowered until domestic upgrades arrived. Upgrading to a radical twin-boom pusher layout, the Saab 21 cleared the nose for heavy, concentrated cannons and pioneering ejection seats. Pilots loved the unobstructed cockpit view, but ground cooling demanded constant monitoring. Transitioning into the jet age, the swept-wing Saab 29 Tunen dramatically increased speed over straight-wing predecessors. Pilots praised its exceptional combat agility in UN operations, though high-speed pitch-up required careful handling. Upgrading to a dedicated two-seat all-weather transonic strike platform, the Saab 32 Lansen introduced heavy anti-ship missiles. Crews valued its robust low-altitude coastal strike capabilities, though landing stall speeds were unforgiving. Introducing the revolutionary double delta wing, the Saab 35 Draken became Europe's first operational Mach 2 interceptor. Aviators celebrated its roll rate and super stall recovery mastery, pioneering the famous Cobra maneuver in combat drills. Upgrading with forward canards and thrust reversers, the Saab 37 Viggen achieved Mach 2 speed alongside extreme highway strip short takeoff capability. Pilots lauded its intuitive head-up display despite high maintenance during intense field deployments. Upgrading to fly-by-wire digital agility, the JAS-39 Gripen unified fighter, attack, and reconnaissance into one airframe. Operators celebrate its rapid road-based turnaround and lowest operational cost per flight hour worldwide. Chapter 2 showcases trainers and utility aircraft built to instruct generations of military pilots. Serving as Saab's baseline primary trainer, the all-metal Saab 91 Saphir offered superb aerobatic stability and side-by-side seating. Instructors praised its benign handling qualities, making it a beloved global flight trainer. Upgrading to twin turbofan power, the Saab 105 provided side-by-side jet instruction alongside secondary light attack strike capabilities. Pilots commended its spacious cabin layout, serving as the Air Force's primary jet trainer. Shifting to light utility observation, the MFI-15 Safari introduced forward-swept shoulder wings and a high T-tail. Pilots reported unmatched downward visibility and rugged unpaved field performance across demanding humanitarian missions. Upgraded directly from the Safari, the MFI-17 Supporter added reinforced underwing hardpoints for anti-tank missiles and rocket pods. Operators appreciated its low upkeep, excelling in basic flight training and counterinsurgency roles. Advancing into fifth-generation training, the co-developed Boeing Saab T-7 Red Hawk introduced digital engineering, fly-by-wire controls, and stadium seating. Test pilots highlighted its high angle of attack handling, preparing pilots for modern stealth fighters. Chapter 3 examines Saab's successful commercial venture into regional airliners and passenger transport. Marking Saab's entry into commercial aviation, the twin-engine 90 Scandia offered tricycle landing gear and unpressurized passenger comfort. Crews appreciated its robust safety record, though post-war surplus aircraft heavily limited sales. Upgrading to modern twin turboprops, the Saab 340 became a worldwide commuter success. Airlines commended its outstanding fuel efficiency and rugged reliability, operating thousands of daily short-haul flights across international regional airlines. Stretched and upgraded with powerful turboprops, the Saab 2000 delivered jet-like cruising speeds exceeding 600 kilometers per hour. Passengers loved the active noise cancellation cabin, though regional jet competition shortened production. Chapter 4 details experimental prototypes that unlocked swept wings, delta aerodynamics, and stealth technologies. Upgraded with a more powerful engine and revised wing sweep, the Saab 202 tested the Lanson's transonic profile. Engineers gathered critical airflow data, preventing costly aerodynamic stability flaws on the frontline fighter. Testing radical double-delta flight mechanics, the Lil Draken served as a subscale jet-powered proof of concept. Test pilots proved low-speed double-delta stability was feasible, directly paving the way for the supersonic Draken. Advancing into pilotless exploration, the SHARC Unmanned Technology Demonstrator tested autonomous flight and robust data links. Engineers verified beyond line-of-sight flight logic, marking Saab's transition into high-performance autonomous aerial robotics. Upgrading with stealth airframe geometry, the Falor Flying Wing Demonstrator tested radar-absorbent materials and low observable shaping. Flight trials successfully validated radar signature reduction techniques for future European unmanned combat aerial programs. Chapter 5 covers specialized airborne surveillance platforms providing airborne early warning and intelligence solutions. Mounting the revolutionary AirEye active electronically scanned array atop the 340 airframe, the 340 AEWC delivered cost-effective airborne surveillance. Radar operators praised its long-range air and sea tracking across thousands of square kilometers. Upgrading to the faster, high-altitude Saab 2000 airframe, the 2000 AirEye increased patrol endurance and radar horizon coverage. Aircrews noted faster dash speeds to patrol stations, enhancing national airspace radar detection. Specialized for airborne signals intelligence, the Saab 2000 Air Tracer installed sensitive eavesdropping antenna arrays and analytical processing suites. Electronic warfare officers commended its capability to map adversary emitter networks from safe standoff distances. Tailored for maritime security and search and rescue, the Saab 340 MSA integrated electro-optical turrets and belly search radars. Operators valued its economical low-altitude search efficiency during long-range coastal patrol operations over ocean expanses. Evolving into heavy anti-submarine warfare, the Swordfish MPA concept paired advanced acoustic processors with torpedo armament. Designed for long-range oceanic subhunting, it integrated multi-static sonobuoy analysis with high-speed transit efficiency. Achieving the ultimate surveillance integration, GlobalEye mounted the AirEye ER extended range radar onto a Global 6000 jet. Operators gained simultaneous air, maritime, and ground tracking at extreme ranges with unmatched radar resolution. Chapter 6 highlights autonomous rotary platforms and collaborative multinational stealth combat unmanned aircraft. Providing autonomous vertical takeoff capabilities, the Saab Skeldar rotary UAV operates from compact naval decks. Naval operators praise its heavy fuel engine efficiency and automated landing systems in rough, turbulent sea states. Representing multinational stealth innovation, the European Neuron demonstrator proved autonomous stealth combat strike capabilities. Saab engineered the composite fuselage and avionics, pioneering Europe's next-generation unmanned combat aircraft technology.